How to make Google Form link into QR code. The first thing you want to do once you're on Google Forms, you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can tap on Publish once more. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is simply copy the link. So you're going to tap on the link icon and you're going to copy the link. Then I want you to open a new tab and you're going to type in Me QR. And you're going to select the option at the top. And you can use this for completely free and you don't need to sign in. All you need to do is simply tap right where you see URL/link and you're going to paste in the link right here. After you have added the link, you're going to tap on Customize and Download. Then from there, you can select how you would like your QR code to look. So for example, I'm going to select this option and we're just going to tap on Download QR code. And that's it. It has been downloaded and we can now share it as you can see right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.